I'm only going to say one thing about the bench. The bench is the place in the office where kids get sent when they're misbehaving in the classroom and they're waiting to be seen by some wonderful expert who's going to take them into their office and put some sort of fairy dust on their head and make them behave a certain way and send them back to you. The problem with the bench is that if kids are sitting on the bench waiting to be seen by administration or someone with more power than you think you have, they're in control. And if you can sit on the bench quietly waiting to be seen or talk to the office people, and chat for a little bit, then you should be sitting in my classroom waiting to be seen. So if I want to send a delayed referral to the office that says, I need help with this kid, indicates that they're sitting here and I do need you to speak to them as the administration, but you can speak to them at a convenient moment. I don't need to send them to the bench to wait to be seen, and then they're missing a whole bunch of instruction that I've got to now double back on because the kid comes back tomorrow and says, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't get the assignment because I was on the bench. That drives me crazy. The bench is that holding cell.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.